You are watching Daily Market Pulse. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2026. If you want a clean daily read on macro and market risk, subscribe for the next briefing. Geopolitical tensions spark buy the dip narrative as AI-driven structural adoption fuels risk appetite. Here is the framework for today's briefing. Geopolitical tensions and market implications. How are geopolitical risks impacting market trends? AI-driven structural adoption and risk appetite. What role is AI playing in shaping market sentiment? Crypto and commodities. Key areas to watch. What's driving the performance of crypto and commodities in the current market environment? Let's take a closer look at the current geopolitical landscape and its implications for markets. Geopolitical tensions have increased in recent weeks, with the US-Iran conflict sparking market concerns. The current geopolitical landscape has significant implications for market trends, with risk appetite and volatility being key areas to watch. Despite the tensions, the buy the dip narrative remains intact, driven by strong institutional risk appetite. What to watch next? Investors should keep a close eye on the Geopolitical Risk Index and its potential impact on market volatility. Now, let's explore the role of AI in shaping market sentiment and risk appetite. AI adoption has increased significantly in recent months, with institutional investors leading the charge. The adoption of AI has significant implications for market trends, with risk appetite and market growth being key areas to watch. The buy the dip narrative remains intact, driven by strong institutional risk appetite and AI-driven structural adoption. What to watch next? Investors should keep a close eye on the AI adoption rate and its potential impact on market trends. Finally, let's take a look at the current state of crypto and commodities and what investors should be watching. Crypto markets have been on the move in recent weeks, with Bitcoin reaching $50,000. The performance of crypto and commodities has significant implications for market trends, with risk appetite and volatility being key areas to watch. The buy the dip narrative remains intact, with crypto and commodities being key areas to watch. What to watch next? Investors should keep a close eye on the Bitcoin price and its potential impact on market trends. So what's the summary and conclusion of today? The global market landscape is navigating a complex web of geopolitical risks and opportunities, with the buy the dip narrative remaining a dominant theme, driven by AI-driven structural adoption and strong institutional risk appetite. Thank you for your attention, and we will see you again tomorrow. For broader context, keep an eye on gold and silver as traditional hard asset hedges and on Bitcoin and the broader crypto market as faster-moving indicators of liquidity, debasement fears, and speculative risk appetite. Also, watch how the dollar, real yields, and commodities interact, because those links often tell you whether this move is becoming a broader cross-asset repositioning rather than just a one-day headline reaction.